Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is ecosystem and abiotic components. Organisms depend on their surroundings for some basic requirements such as food, shelter, water, air and soil. The surrounding of an organism is called its environment. The environment consists of two components, biotic and abiotic components. In previous video we already discussed about biotic components. Now abiotic components. The word abiotic means non-living. Air, water, light, soil and climatic factors such as temperature, humidity, sunlight and wind form the abiotic components of an ecosystem. The different abiotic components of the environment affect the living organisms. Let's start with sunlight. Sun is the natural and ultimate source of light. Sunlight is very important for living things. Sunlight is used by the plants to prepare their food. During the day, by the process of transpiration, plants remove excess water from them. Sunlight acts as natural disinfectant and kills the microorganisms and insects. Temperature. The measurement of hotness or coldness of an object is called the temperature. Life exists on the earth because it has a suitable temperature range for all living beings. Animals and plants develop special features called adaptation to survive in a region with a particular kind of temperature. Animals can be divided into two groups based on their ability to change their body temperature. First is cold-blooded animals. Animals whose body temperature changes with the temperature of their surroundings are called cold-blooded animals. For example, reptiles, insects, fishes and amphibians. Second is warm-blooded animals. Animals whose body temperature remains constant and does not change according to surroundings are called warm-blooded animals. For example, mammals and birds are warm-blooded animals. Air. Air is a natural resource. Air is composed of different components such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, dust particles and water vapor. Plants and animals use oxygen gas for respiration. Animals and human beings give out carbon dioxide during respiration. Plants use carbon dioxide to prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Moving air also helps in pollination and dispersal of seeds. Water. Water is very important component in the lives of all living beings. About 70 to 90% of human body is made up of water. All living beings need water to drink. Plants absorb water through their roots. Water plays an important role in the process of photosynthesis. We use water for our daily purposes such as cleaning, bathing, cooking, and washing. Water is also used in many industries and factories. Water exists in 3 different forms on earth, such as water as a liquid, ice as solid, and vapor as gas. Soil. Soil is found everywhere on the surface of the earth. Soil is formed by the process called weathering, in which rocks break down over a long period of time. Soil is an important abiotic component without which plants cannot survive. Plants hold the soil particles with their roots. Microorganisms present in the soil helps in nitrogen fixation that help in the growth of the plants. Many animals such as earthworms and moles live in soil. They help in making the soil loose. Humidity. The amount of water vapor or moisture present in the air is called humidity. The more the humidity, the less amount of water is released by the organism. Organisms in desert area lose more water during evaporation due to less humidity, and organisms in coastal areas lose less water during evaporation due to high humidity. Humidity also affects the eating habits, reproduction in animals, and their distribution on the earth's surface. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.